Yo, what's up, guys? We're back with another YouTube video. Look what I made for YouTube. What is it? Look what I made for YouTube. I hope YouTube's gonna be happy. YouTube Airlines. It's a Boeing 777-300ER. I made this. I can't make it to other people because it's gonna take 49 hours to make. And my school is only 40 hours. But yeah. Every airplane that I make, it's like 49 hours. I can't make it to other people. That's why I can't make it to other people. Because then it's gonna take too long. But yeah. I'm gonna show you. Remember this dude? Yeah. I have no school today. Yacht. Look at this new World Trade Center that I made. It's so cool. Beautiful. You guys, right here is the observatory. Same right there. Right here. Right here. Right there. Ow. My stomach hurts. My voice is laggy because I think I'm sick. What was I gonna show you now? Guys, make me reach the 200 subs, and then that I will kiss my girlfriend. But she has to come here for a sleepover or for a play date. But we have to go somewhere private. Okay, guys? Peace. And subscribe. Click that subscribe button, please. And click that like button. Alright, guys. Peace out.